So my GoPro died, so I'm deciding to record this on my cell phone. This is a 2015 Nissan Altima with a 2.5. We're looking at some things, making sure the bottom end's not cracked or nothing like that. Pistons are good. As it stands right now, we're doing a cylinder leak down check. Know what you do on this, because this one, as you can see, this big piece right here is part of the motor mount. So Nissan thought it was a good idea to put that there, so you have to take the motor mount off just to get the valve cover off. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna, because the reason why I wanted to take the valve cover off in the first place was to check that the cam lobes are at top dead for the cam and make sure that the valves are fully seated so I can check for leaks. So I checked the first cylinder. You take the valve cover off. As you can see, yes, we do have sludge. So I took the valve cover off. I took the oil cap off. I took the radiator cap off. I popped the dipstick tube out. And we're just kind of going by sound and sight. If we see something, we hear something, we're looking for something like maybe pressure escaping somewhere. So, long story short, when you put this stuff on there, I checked number one. Number one had minimal leakage, but when I did check number two, we got so I'm pushing pressure in there, and you're pushing pressure in there, it shouldn't do this. You see this? That's showing an indication that the head gasket's bad. It's pushing pressure through the engine, out of the reservoir. Out of the coolant cap. Now, we can go off and we can check all these, but it's a good indication that we got a bad head gasket.